Day 341, Meditation on Faith. There is no doubt that faith plays a very important role in every religion, but it must be motivated by valid reasons. Nagarjuna, the great Indian philosopher of the 2nd century CE, said that knowledge and faith should go hand in hand. It is true that in Buddhism we consider faith as a source of high rebirths and knowledge as a source of enlightenment. But it is also said that faith springs from clear knowledge. In other words, we must know why we believe. Words to meditate on. Sometimes you just don't know how you know something, but you know it. Like, trust that inner wisdom. It is very real. Meditate on that.